have hiccups? What's the matter?
Yeah, we need a little humor in our lives right now. So yeah, I think the next thing I need to do is definitely a comedy. That was a lot.
You're so funny, Cupcake.